Hi, and welcome to 1657 Bacon Street in beautiful South Ocean Beach. This turnkey single-level cutie packs a mighty punch. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath end unit perched right across the street from the Pacific Ocean and the world-famous Sunset Cliffs. There is nothing left to do here but move in and enjoy. Features include a fully remodeled kitchen with stone counters, stainless steel appliances, and a gas range, tile floors, a remodeled bathroom, dual-paned windows, and spacious sun-drenched rooms make this home a winner. Plus, there's a dedicated parking space and private storage right outside your front door. Ocean Cliff Villas is a small 6-unit complex with HOA dues that are under $200 a month. Only 1 block to Santa Cruz Cove Beach, and just 4 blocks to long sandy beaches, tide pools, the pier, dining, drinks, coffee shops, and shopping. Or head south to discover the cliffs, no surf beach, and every good surf spot on the point. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. If you love beach living and you want a spacious, turnkey home, what are you waiting for? Call me today to make this dream your reality.